Hi everyone! Minasan konnichiwa. Guys, this is the Jodogahama Beach, which is located at the coast of Miyako Bay in the city of Miyako, Iwate-ken, Japan. This beach is very famous for its clear water and of its series of rock formation, and most especially for its white sand. And those are the rocks, guys, and you can see more later. Those are the ferry boats, which are formed as duck shape, and that's the noriba or sakayan ng ferry boat. Sinong gustong sumakay dyan, guys? Guys, super ganda talaga. Promise. Oh? Yan, guys. Yan ang hotel dito. Because of the COVID, guys, ilang years din na hindi nag-open ang business hotel na yan. Nag-ilaw na kasi, guys. So, ibig sabihin, open na ang hotel. Dati, guys, wala yan, guys. Close. Pagpunta namin last year dito. Diba, guys? Oh, pagka-ganda-ganda ng view. Pagka-ganda-ganda. Kahit dito, guys, may tunnel, guys. Oh. Na? Grabe, ang alon. Siguro malakas yung alon. Oh, tingnan mo, guys. Kasakay sa mga speedboat. Here, guys, you can enjoy kayaking. Satisfying sounds of the birds. Ang gandang pakinggan ng mga huni ng mga ibon, guys. Oh, ang ganda. Here. Ang ganda ng birds. Ng bird. Oh, wow. So as you can see, guys, the water is so very clear, very clean. Alam nyo guys, dinadayo ito ng mga pagkarami-raming tao coming from different places during summer. There are so many foreigners coming here. As you can see, alam nyo guys, dinadayo nga ito guys. As you can see, parang Boracay sa ganda, di ba? You know Boracay guys? In Philippines, the famous beach in Philippines, Boracay. It looks like this. It looks like here.
Last time naming pagpunta guys, diyan kami diyan ang entrance namin, diyan kami unang pumasok. Mula doon sa curve na daan, naglakad kami. Ang cute naman ng mga so makikita mo yan guys, yung mga birds. So ibig sabihin guys, yan guys, oh, ibig sabihin guys, summer na, papunta ng summer, kaya nagdatingan na ang mga iba't ibang ibon. Ang mga ibon na yan guys, sa ibang bansa galing. Ayan mo guys, pwede palang papasok ang sasakyan dito. Layo pa rin pinakingan namin ng hobby ko. Guys, ganito kaganda.
Guys, please connect my members and super chatters. Please do dikit-dikit and connect.